Now then, how are you doing? I'm Colin, this is Shine Automotive, and this is our Astra van. If you haven't seen the first episode, there's a link up above now. Go check that out and then come back to this video. So, right, me and Sam have dug this car out the scrapyard, saving it. Can't believe we're doing it. Let's get cracked on and let's see what we can get on with tonight. Sit back and enjoy. What colour do you want the brakes to be, Sam?
Fluorescent pink.
Fluorescent pink, right? So he wants his brakes to be fluorescent pink. Not really though, we're gonna do them blue. Yeah mate, not a problem, we'll do them pink for you. What I'm doing is I'm changed the start of this video because we've got some good news. So we'll go to me now, telling you the good news, and then we'll crack it back on with the video. Alright, Colin here, and this is Shine Automotive, and welcome. And yes, the last video brought us a massive subscriber boost. We actually topped 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited! And that's down to you lot. So thank you very much from me and Sam. And I just can't hide it. So we're back on with the Astra. We've got all the brakes to build back up on the back, all the brakes to do on the front, the subframe to go back on. So we're going to get it all built back up this episode, and hopefully we'll get it running. It's due for MOT as well, which will be on the next one, and then that's where we'll be detailing it all up. So let's get cracked on, and thank you for your support, and keep subscribing. Let's crack on. Sam is on doing another brake pipe. Kev is on with doing the subframe that we took out. He's getting it wire brushed down, ready for a coat of paint before we put that back in. Now we've got a load of parts as well. Yeah, so we've got some disc and pads there, a pair of calipers there to go on the front as well. In the last episode we fitted the UK clutch, rear new drums, new wiper blades, paint, gearbox oil, brake fluid, all stuff like that. So let's jump into this one and get this subframe painted up that Kev's working on. What you say, mate?
Spare brush for you as well.
Alright, I'll jump in and help you, mate. So that's the front subframe all painted down with stone chip. Stone chip's got an added anti-corrosion in it, so it looks quite tidy that now. Just freshens it up. Tight and tidy, tight and tidy. And while we were doing that, Sam stripped the rear brakes down ready for the new drums to go on and found the shoes are knackered, so he's ordered some new shoes, a new brake cylinder and a rear shocker because that side is leaking as well. So while we're waiting for the bits to come for that, we'll get on and sort the brakes out, get the brakes all cleaned up and painted. What colour do you want the brakes to be, Sam?
Fluorescent pink.
Fluorescent pink, right, so he wants his brakes to be fluorescent pink. Not really though, we're going to do them blue. Yeah mate, not a problem, we'll do them pink for you. So we've got the brakes laid out, front calipers, basically we'll just give them a little mast up round there, mask the slider carriers off. You can take them off but they're a nightmare and you end up just chipping the paint off trying to put them back on anyway. It's not a Concours vehicle we're doing. Leave that on, when you pull that off you know you've got a good seal with a brake pipe. Flexi goes into there, new rear drums there, degrease them all down and shot some paint on. Let's jump into that right now. New cylinders have arrived. Sam's putting in now.
So look at the driver's side being done. Don't care about passenger side.
Kev, why do you always have to be like that?
You're rubbing off on me.
Do run, 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 do run, run.
rear drum on the driver's side built back up. We'll chuck the passenger side back together now. And right now, oh, it's not working. Is it working with you, Sam? You try it. Well, I must be losing the touch, mate. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's shocking.
Funny.
See if she's actually in.
That's, yeah, finished.
Too bad.
Oil residue around there. Right, let's have the new one put back in. There is the new shocker going in. That is shocking. Can you manage this, Kev? Do you know what you're doing?
I think so. Winging it.
Winging it. Wing-ding-a-ling. Concentration, yeah, concentration. Are you watching or are you just wanting a biscuit? I want a biscuit! There we go. That's shockingly good. Hey! It's alright, you take that off. So Kev will take that side brake off and then we'll put the... Come on, Kev! Engine train back on. Not the engine. We're not... Honestly. I finished it, Kev.
Sorry, well, if you want, mate.
Don't you worry. I could weld up on there, not a problem. Yeah, you would. You'd be able to do endos by the time I had finished.
I don't know, with all the new back brakes, it might work better than the front one.
Well, it's looking well. It's subframing. Build all the brakes up, the new brakes at the front, new caliper. We don't have a clue if it starts yet. It's not been running for about 2 years. Maybe the first thing to check. I'm quite confident. Are you confident?
No idea.
No idea.
Didn't hear when it came in.
It didn't. It got pushed in. Yeah, it got delivered on a trailer and we pushed it round the yard.
Did it come on a trailer?
Yeah, it got dropped off on a trailer. So Kev's got that side strip down. Come on, Kev, we built the back brakes up in the time it took you to that. It's fine, mate. You try doing it. You try talking all the time.
I can't do it.
You have you stripped the other side down?
No.
Well, we'll strip the other side down, and then we'll get the subframe chucked back in because we're all caught up now.
Wait for Kev.
We're just waiting for Kev, Sam, eh?
Kev, it's not funny. You make the job twice as hard, you know.
What did you say then, Kev?
Flipping heck. Sam's dropped his rubbers. Here, found your dodgy on the floor.
It's not, you're making the job twice as hard.
Come on now, Kevin. Don't be upsetting him.
It's not upsetting, I want it done. It'll come away intended, it's still all done, and I'll have to work while you're out shooting.
I'm working here.
Doing whatever you're doing.
How's it work? Looks like it's up that. It only goes fast as it can.
Alright, Mark 4 expert.
He's an Astra expert now. He is, 100%.
No, don't you think you're better off where the neighbors don't stay? Baby, you're wanted, looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted. I know you never get enough unless it's real. Slippery slope, it's not enough to please you. Pretty Caroline, stone cold starter. She wasn't when I started working every
Subframe is in now, so I'm just putting a little clip on. Then we'll pull the arms down, put the shafts back in. Easy to do while the discs are off, and then we'll build up the front brakes. And we're pretty much getting there now. Got headlights to do because they're finished. We bought some brand new headlights that have arrived. We're getting them in. We'll do the brakes, build up the brakes, build the brakes back up, and then maybe get around to doing the headlights. And maybe put a battery on it. It might see if it'll start. Maybe, don't know yet. I don't know.
twice, and you missed it again. Waiting in line for the party to end. Guess you didn't get what they asked for. Not a G in sight, that reality.
Can't fit them then, I'm afraid. We can't fit the new lights. No. So we've got the lights here. Look how much they transform. So if you want to buy some of these lights, guess what? You can buy them through us. Hit us in the video description down below and you can buy them. They are duty. We're just going to transform it.
A few moments later.
So we've gone to fit the new lights as well, as you've just seen, and it doesn't come with all the back bits or the motor. So what we've done is we've ordered some second-hand lights off eBay because the aftermarket ones didn't have the right fittings for the genuine lights. So that's coming. So we're putting the lights on in the next one when we take it for MOT, if we get it running in time. Yeah, so that's the driver's side brakes all built back up. And the exhaust is now back on. And the back brake pipe is done as well. So that's all done. Let's get on and do the passenger side brakes now. We've also just had the phone call as well to say that the wheels are ready to collect. So we'll collect them on the way home tonight. We'll get them put on as well. We'll see what they're like shortly, you know. Can't wait to see what colour they are. What colour did you pick? Brown. Brown. That'd be nice. Brown. Brown wheels on a white car. Very nice. So that's the brakes all built. Oh no, microphone failure. It's alright though, because voiceover Colin's going to tell you what's happened. Guess what? The brakes are built back up. And now we're going to bleed the brakes up with this machine. Oh, hang on. The mic's coming back online. Tighten it up, pump it up, builds up the pressure, then he'll crack one off at a time. He'll break a... He'll crack a bleeding knuckle off one at a time, starting from the furthest one away. He's doing that one now, and that's the second one he's doing. Pressure, and the third one, and the fourth one. So that's all the brakes built back up. What we're going to do now is fit a battery tray in here, get the battery on, put the expansion tank on that we've cleaned out, put some coolant in. Yeah, it should be ready to fire up. Have we got a battery? We've got a battery. And some wiper blades and some gearbox oil to go in, an oil filter. So yeah, there's still a few bits to do, so we'll get all them bits chucked back on and then hopefully should be ready to fire up. It hasn't been running for a long time, so I'm really excited to see if we can get it to run. I bet you are as well. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you're thinking of the video. What are we doing now, Sam?
Putting this header tank on that's been semi-cleaned.
So well, I can't climb in it and scrub the walls, can I?
Why?
Right, so we'll get some antifreeze in it now. Yeah, so the battery's going on now, coolant's in, and she'll see if we can get it to start. Well, hey, yeah, let's see if she'll start. I can't wait.